This is the Jeep. It's not all done yet, but I wanted to show just the condition of it. The inside. It's not done yet, but it's coming. And this roof, I had to do a lot of chemical stripping on it, and then we'll just lightly blast it just to put a profile on it before we before the paint and stuff. This stuff right here is, or the primer, this stuff is good. This seam sealer, it's really solid. Okay, this stuff right here is really solid. So I'm not going to take that off. Just seam seal on top of it where needed. So, yeah. Hey friends, here's the 91, 92, no, I don't know, maybe 93 or even 1994 Jeep Comanche. Sitting in the customer provided epoxy primer after being media blasted, and great care was taken on this roof to not destroy it. So I had to do it by hand. It took quite a few hours to get that thing done, but it is done. It is done correctly and nicely, and I'm happy to say I would call it my own. There we go. Nice little 1-minute video. Maybe I'll make it a little bit longer. So this inside tunnel, that rip right there, I've got a new piece to change it. These floor supports, Adrian wants me, the owner wants me to remove those to clean underneath them and media blast underneath them. Make sure there's no rust under there, which is fine. We can do that. They look really good when they are in this condition. It's almost like a brand new vehicle, actually. For all intents and purposes, it really is. It's all reconditioned, ready to be built again. Yep. There you go. Cheers.